Why don't we fly?
I want to go on the bumper cars.
Oh, yes, and the merry-go-round.
Look, a bouncy castle. Can we go in there first, please?
Okay, if you want to, Bimmy.
Fine by me.
Let's help the guys get a bouncy castle ticket. Oh no! Something went wrong. Tap on the pods of the coin mechanism to make the coins fall into their place. You nailed it! Great job! Here is our wonderful ticket.
Watch me! I can jump the highest! Whoa! Stop! You're going to make me fall over! Hey, that's not fair! Let me up!
That's too high! Please stop!
Okay, boys. That's enough now. You okay, Bimmy?
I'm fine. Thanks, Steve.
You came down to Earth with quite a bump.
I know. What I don't understand is why.
What do you mean?
I mean, what makes us come back down to Earth? Why don't we just float off into the sky?
Oh, good question, Bimmy. Why don't you all gather round so I can explain? The reason why everything falls back down to Earth is because of something called gravity. Earth's gravity comes from all its mass, which means how much of it there is. All things close to Earth, no matter what they are, will eventually fall back down to Earth.
Look, we're in space. Our planet uses gravity to collect crystals. Move the planet to collect all the crystals. Beautiful work.
Bimmy, go fetch that piece of paper over there, please. Now, stand still and drop the piece of paper. Okay, now pick up the piece of paper and screw it into a ball. Okay, now drop it again.
The ball of paper fell faster than the sheet of paper.
Eureka! That's right, Bimmy.
But why? Yeah, why?
Another great question. You see, due to air resistance, an object with a large area falls more slowly than an object with a smaller area, yet they are exactly the same.
Whoa!
I know! Isn't science amazing?
I know what would be really amazing.
What's that, Charlie?
Those bumper cars. Can we have a turn now, please?
Okay, go have a go in the bumper cars. Since you have all been so good at learning about gravity, I'll let you have a ride for free.